AMD just made a massive $1.6 billion acquisition that changes the game in the global race for AI dominance. We'll explain how buying this tiny Israeli chipmaker positions AMD to compete with China's breakneck pace of high-tech innovation. If you want the inside scoop on one of the biggest tech moves of the year, you're in the right place. The Israeli AI chip expert. So who exactly is this mysterious Israeli company that AMD just bet $1.6 billion on? They're called Mellanox Technologies, and they specialize in making high-performance chips optimized for artificial intelligence workloads. Based in Yokneam, Israel, Mellanox was founded in 1999 and has grown into a major player in the niche but lucrative market for AI hardware. What makes Mellanox so valuable is their expertise in designing chips that can handle the massive parallel processing needs of AI algorithms while conserving power, a tricky balancing act. Their flagship product is called the Bluefield 3, an ARM-based system-on-chip. SoC, packed with over 1,000 processing cores optimized for data center workloads like machine learning and big data analytics. The takeaway here is that Mellanox has carved out a niche as one of the premier designers of specialized hardware for AI applications. In an industry where the hardware tends to lag behind the software, their expertise in chip architecture could give AMD a powerful edge. Countering China's tech might. So why is AMD spending $1.6 billion on an Israeli AI chip specialist now? The answer lies in looking at what China has been up to lately. Across the board, Chinese tech giants like Alibaba, Baidu, and Huawei have been making massive investments into artificial intelligence research and development. Just last month, Alibaba unveiled a new supercomputing cluster called Tianpu-1 that can perform 10 quintillion calculations per second, putting it among the top 10 most powerful computers on Earth. The Chinese government has also pledged over $100 billion in funding for AI initiatives across the country, with the stated goal of becoming the global leader in AI by 2030. All this points to a future where China could potentially leapfrog the US and other Western nations in key areas of high tech, from autonomous driving to facial recognition. For American tech giants like AMD, getting left behind is not an option. By acquiring Mellanox, AMD can tap into world-class expertise in AI chip design that will be essential for staying competitive. The key insight here is that the global race for AI supremacy is heating up fast, and China's massive investments give them a potent advantage. For AMD to keep pace, they need access to cutting-edge talent in AI hardware, hence the Mellanox acquisition. What this means going forward. So what can we expect going forward now that AMD has absorbed one of Israel's top AI chip specialists? For starters, it means that AMD is likely to start rolling out more specialized silicon optimized for AI workloads in the coming years. One possibility is that we could see AMD take a page from NVIDIA's playbook and release dedicated AI accelerator cards for data centers, similar to how NVIDIA has ridden the success of its Tesla V100 chips to dominance in the AI hardware market. Alternatively, AMD could choose to keep Mellanox at arm's length and let them continue to operate as an independent subsidiary, much like how Google lets DeepMind function with a high degree of autonomy. Regardless of how they choose to integrate the company, one thing is clear: this acquisition instantly vaults AMD into the top tier of companies capable of delivering cutting-edge AI hardware. In a market where software is increasingly becoming commoditized, owning powerful bespoke silicon could be a major differentiator for AMD going forward. The key takeaway here is that the Mellanox acquisition doesn't just give AMD access to world-class engineering talent, it gives them a new strategic weapon in their arsenal that they can deploy across their product stack. In an industry where every company is frantically trying to find ways to integrate AI into their products, having a dedicated internal AI hardware team could be a major asset. So there you have it, the inside scoop on AMD's $1.6 6 billion acquisition of Israeli AI chipmaker Mellanox Technologies, and what it means for the future of high-tech competition between the US and China. If you're interested in staying up to date with all the latest moves in the global tech landscape, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next video breaking down the biggest deals, product launches, and industry shakeups. And if you liked this video, a share or like really helps us out. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.